Drain clogging problem can be a real trouble to deal with in every home. Bathroom's drain hold. Kitchen sink. Bathroom sink. Bathtub. The easiest way to solve drain clogging problem is using GobblerZ. A safe, easy-to-use and environmental-friendly solution to unclog and clear any clogging drains or sinks. It's fast and powerful, just pour a pack. Add hot water and let it sit for a while. Watch how GobblerZ dissolve the clogs. Its superb formula breaks down and dissolves oil and grease, hair, soap scum, built-up sludge, organic matters, almost anything that clog your drains or pipes. GobblerZ is eco-friendly and won't cause any damage to all types of pipes made of copper, PVC, even old pipes. It's very versatile, can be used to clear any clogs at your sinks, bathtubs, bathroom's drain hole, garbage disposals. GloblerZ comes with a hair clog remover best for removing hair clogs. Fast result that you can see. GloblerZ. If you have one at home, you don't need to call Plumber anymore for drain clogging problems.